Mars. A red planet that attracts the eye, rising on a cloudless night on the horizon is a bright red dot. He turned out to be completely different from what science fiction writers imagine him to be, and he harbors thousands of unsolved mysteries. Not yet solved. Mars is the most Earth-like planet in the solar system. The thin atmosphere of Mars consists mainly of carbon dioxide. The Martian Mount Olympus is the highest mountain in the solar system. Its height is 27.4 kilometers. The Mariner Valley Canyon on Mars is much deeper and longer than the Grand Canyon on Earth. The density of the Martian atmosphere is about 1% of the Earth's. Mars has no magnetic field. Due to the lack of an ozone layer, solar radiation on Mars is extremely dangerous. Martian sandstorms can capture huge areas and last for months. Only a third of all spacecraft ever sent to Mars have reached their goal. The gravity of Mars is 2.5 times weaker than on Earth. Mars is the first candidate for colonization. One of the theoretical possibilities discussed by scientists to warm up Mars is the atomic bombing of the planet. In winter, a fifth of the atmosphere freezes on Mars and falls out in the form of dry ice. Mars is 10 times lighter than Earth and half as small in diameter. The Martian day is 37.5 minutes longer than Earth's. The reddish-brown color of Mars is given by iron oxide, which is very abundant in the Martian soil. There was once enough water on Mars and, most likely, there was a full-fledged atmosphere. The crust of Mars is solid, unlike the Earth's crust, which consists of separate tectonic plates. A year on Mars lasts 687 Earth days. The names of the moons of Mars, Deimos and Phobos, are translated as Sphere and Hor, respectively. The largest volcano in the solar system with a diameter of 600 kilometers is located on Mars. The average temperature on Mars is about 80 degrees Celsius. Another of the colonization ideas with a perspective for the future is the delivery of ice from Saturn's rings to Mars. When the core of Mars began to cool down, the planet's magnetic field weakened and then disappeared altogether. This was the reason why the atmosphere was blown away by the solar wind and practically disappeared into outer space, taking water with it.